You have been removing the background of your images in Photoshop the wrong way for so long. Now let me show you how to do it the right way in this tutorial right away. So when you import your image to Photoshop, the first thing that you want to do is you have to get it as a layer over here like this. Now if it is not a rasterized layer, you definitely want to convert that to a rasterized layer. For now, I already have mine as a rasterized layer, so I'm going to leave it that way. Good. Once I have it that way, I'll go straight to the property panel over here. Now if you don't have the property panel over there, just go to Windows, and when you come here, make sure you check it like this and it will show up right here. Good. So once you come to the property panel, just come down to quick action. When you come to quick action, you will see the options below it right here. All right, you see the options over here: remove background, select subject. But the one I'm going to use right now is remove background, and this is going to do a clean job for us right away. Wait and see. All right, perfect. That is a clean job that we have right here. You can see Photoshop remove the background completely. Now listen, this is an easy one. What if you have an image which will not allow you to get a background off like this, right? So quickly, let me show you another example of this, right? So now let's come to this image we have right here. Okay, what you're going to do right now is we have to make sure we select the layer, the image layer. Of course, it has to be rasterized. Then we come to the quick action panel again. Once we come here, we just tap on remove background. All right, this one we are going to do something extra, so watch carefully, right? So once the background is removed, let me turn off this layer so that you can see. Once the background is removed, this is how it's going to look, right? But then let me put this layer back and let's zoom in and see something. All right, I want to show you something quickly right here. If you look at the edge of our subject over here, if you look critically at the edge over here, you could see some black line, around it. Okay, what if we want to get rid of that particular black line? What do we have to do, right? Let me just duplicate this and show you the before and after, right? So I'm going to turn this layer off and have this one over here. Now the next thing that you have to do to get rid of this line is to make sure you hold on the Control key and tap on the layer mask right here. Just tap on it like this. Once you tap on it, the whole subject will be selected just like this. Right, it will be selected like this. So let me just zoom in back again so that we could see clearly the effect of what we are doing. All right, so over here, the next thing that you want to do is go to the select panel. Once you come here, move down and come to modify. From modify, go to contract. Contract, leave it at 1 and tap or click on OK. Once you click on OK, the next thing that you have to do is to come back to this particular layer, right click on it and convert it to smart object. Once you are done converting it to smart object, the next thing that you have to do is to come down to layer mask and add a mask to it, just like this. And this is where the magic happens, right? You will see the line has gone down, right? If I turn the one that I have not edited, if I turn it on, you see the effect coming up right here. So watch that. Good. Did you see that? Did you see that the line came up, the black line came up? Now if I turn it off, it's gone again, right? So basically that is how you can quickly remove the background of your images and also make sure it is of a high quality. Make sure you remove the background very well so that when you use this particular image on your design, it is going to look super good, super great, right? So that is it for this video, and of course this is also here from Serene Art. If you like a video like this on Photoshop, go ahead and hit that like button on the video and also hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome videos coming your way. I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.